Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter Telegram private channel. If you don't have the link on that specific private channel you want to join, just ask the person that is already joined to that private channel to do these easy steps. First, open Telegram. And then from here, find the channel you want to share. So in my case, this is the channel I want to share. Let me just click that. Alright, once you're on the channel, tap the name of the channel located at the top. And then from here, you'll see subscribers. Tap on that. Once you're in here, you'll have an option to tap invite link. And then on the three dots located on the right, when you tap that, you'll have an option to copy the link. Now you can paste the link to other social media platforms. You'll also have an option in here to get a QR code. So this QR code can be scanned by those person you want to add, or you can also share this QR code. Now, once this link and QR code was already sent to you who wants to join the Telegram private channel, then you just need to click that link and then you'll be able to join the private channel. Or also you can just scan the QR code, then Telegram will automatically route you to that private. And that's how to enter Telegram private channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.